Ever wondered what exactly lingers inside those cans of food stacked in your pantry? They're a staple in most kitchens, a beacon of convenience in our bustling lives. But have you ever paused to consider what they contain besides your favorite soup or beans? Today we're taking a closer look at canned foods, exploring their convenience and hinting at potential health impacts that often go unnoticed. So, let's unlock the secrets hidden in these cans, shall we? Turn around any canned food and you'll find a list of ingredients, some familiar, some not so much. It's like a secret code, isn't it? But hey, we're here to crack it. Sodium, for instance, is an all-too-common ingredient in canned foods. It's a preservative, yes, but high levels can lead to increased blood pressure. Then there are those mysterious-sounding additives like bisphenol A or BPA, a chemical linked to potential health risks. And let's not forget about sugars and artificial flavors hiding under the guise of various names, added to make food tastier but may have adverse health effects. But don't worry, not all ingredients are villains. Some canned foods are fortified with necessary vitamins and minerals. The key, however, is to understand these ingredients and their potential impacts on our health. As they say, knowledge is power, and knowing what you're consuming is the first step towards better health. Now that we've decoded what's in our canned goods, it's time to understand how they might affect our health. The convenience of canned foods often overshadows the potential health implications. Over time, the high sodium content can lead to increased blood pressure. This in turn can put you at a higher risk of heart disease and stroke, two of the leading causes of death worldwide. In addition to this, many canned goods contain additives and preservatives, which can have a negative impact on our health when consumed regularly. Some of these additives have been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer and other chronic conditions. It's not just about the immediate convenience, but the long-term effects on our health. Furthermore, the lining of many cans contains bisphenol A, commonly known as BPA. Research suggests that exposure to BPA can affect the brain, behavior, and prostate gland in fetuses, infants, and children. It's also been associated with high blood pressure and heart disease in adults. These potential health risks don't mean we should completely eliminate canned goods from our diets, but it does mean we should be mindful of how much and how often we're consuming these products. We should strive to balance convenience with health and make informed choices about what we're putting into our bodies. Our health is our wealth, and it's important to consider how our food choices contribute to it. Fear not, for there are a multitude of healthier and equally convenient options out there. Let's navigate this culinary landscape together, shall we? First off, fresh foods are your best friends. From crisp vegetables to succulent fruits, these natural delights are packed with essential nutrients and flavors that canned foods often lack. And don't forget about the proteins. Fresh cuts of meat, fish, and poultry are not only healthier, but also allow for a variety of delightful culinary experiments. If fresh isn't always feasible, frozen foods are a great alternative. Contrary to popular belief, they retain most of their nutritional value and can be stored for extended periods. Think of frozen berries for your breakfast smoothie, or mixed vegetables ready for a quick stir-fry. Hungry for a little nostalgia? Pickled foods are the way to go. They offer a tangy kick, and when made at home can be a healthier alternative to canned goods. Pickles, sauerkraut, and kimchi are just a few examples of how you can add a flavor punch to your meals. And let's not forget about the power of quick and simple recipes. A stir-fry, a hearty salad, or a homemade soup can be just as convenient and far more nutritious than their canned counterparts. With a little creativity, we can enjoy convenience and health in harmony. Let's make the kitchen our playground and redefine what convenience means in our daily diet. We've journeyed far into the realm of canned foods and their health impacts. We've deciphered labels, unveiled hidden ingredients, and explored the long-term health implications. Importantly, we've discovered healthier, tastier alternatives that don't compromise on convenience. This journey has been about understanding and making informed food choices. Remember, the power to choose healthier, tastier food is in your hands. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.